soil resources. Now, soil is a thin layer of loose moisture, mixture of small rock particles and rotting organic matter, which covers the surface of the earth. Now, it is the main supporter of forests, grasslands, crops, from which all living beings on the earth sustain and derive their energy. Now, various forces of nature like changing temperature, then running water, wind, all affects the formation of the soil. These forces, along with the chemical and organic changes that take place in the soil, they contribute to the evolution of the soil. Soil is also, very much living thing. It is sustainable to changes, evolution. Now, faulty agricultural practices, overgrazing, deforestation, all these things lead to soil erosion. But improved agricultural practices, if there is a reduced pressure of grazing, there is afforestation, they help in the conservation of soil. Now, what are the constituents of soil? Soil is derived from the parent rock materials through a process of continuous breakdown or wear and tear. Decomposed vegetal and animal remains, जिसको humus बोला जाता है, like patta and all, जा पूरे थकते, is an important constituent of soil, and it adds to the fertility of the soil. Now, what do you mean by fertility of the soil? Now, it refers to the strength of the soil to support the plant life. Fertile soil का कुछ characters रहते हैं. What are they? First, it contains adequate amount of moisture to supply the nutrients to the plants. Then you have sufficient depth to enable the plants to grow their roots as per their requirements. Because without depth, the roots cannot penetrate now. Then it should be rich in nutrients also, like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and all and all. Then we have organic matter. It should contain organic matter which will improve the structure of the soil. Then we have soil classification. How to classify soil? First is the residual or sedimentary soil. All the soils which are in situ. What do you mean by in situ? Means they are formed in their original position by the breaking down of the parent rocks. So these are in situ soils. Where the parent rock is, there the soil is formed. They have a well-defined soil profile. They include black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil. All belong to this type of soil. Then we have transported soils. They are ex situ. That was in situ. This is ex situ. That is, it is transported by the various agents of erosion, and they consist of sediments carried and deposited by the rivers and the winds. So they do not have a well-defined soil profile because they are coming from one place to another. जैसे कि alluvial soil is the biggest example.